Okay guys, this is what you do when you forget to bring your ramps. We're just at Daryl's shop, Checkered Flag in Martinsville. Woo, look at that freaking bumper. Man, does that look good. He sells these. I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check them out if you want. They're all aluminum. Super light, but still super thick, so they're sturdy as heck. Wow, this is gonna be easy. You just gotta lift it high enough and I'll back in so those ramps can go right on the deck. What? Oh, just take off the new bumper. That was the easiest loading ever. You just need a 4-post lift. Makes things just awesome. Okay, we gotta pull out of here. Thank God. It looks like she's gonna fit, no problem. I was a little worried. It's 34 below right now. So I don't know, I doubt it would start. So I just wanted to pull her in the garage, not have to push it off, and it looks like it's gonna fit perfect. So we're just gonna get her all the way in here. It's freaking freezing. Hang on. Awesome.
Hey, what time is it, Mr. Wolf?
Hey, you haven't used that counter for a while.
Nope.
So even though we have about 12 hours until we leave for the mountains, it's not going to stop us. We got to go rip with the before we put the tracks on. So this is also going to take deep 6. We're going to take FullPull, and we're going to go for a quick rip.
All right.
Find some deeper snow. The snow is so crappy. It's so hard. Holy. You can just hear it just. Yeah. Okay, we'll go to those snowbanks there. Okay. What are you doing? Look at this. Oh, she's so hung up. I don't have the freaking tiger tail. I don't have the tiger tail. I think I got a tow rope in the back, thank God, in the toolbox. Oh, there's a tiger tail on the back of deep 6. So we got it hooked up. Should just take a little bump. I don't know, I'll try to video. Might be a little difficult. Ready? gotta get a nice straight run. Oh, look at like coyote tracks. The only snowdrift out here she gets stuck in. Okay. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right. There's a big snowbank over there. We're gonna go.
What are you gonna do?
I'm hitting it, so.
Wrecked it, damn near killed it. Let's go. That was one of the things my dad said when I was little. He had a lot of those funny little sayings. There's wire there. What are you trying to do?
You need momentum.
You think?
That's hard.
So you... You can't come this way and jump? Bad ideas. I think you can do it. I think he's just being chicken now.
Deep Six gonna try it now. That sounded like quarter throttle. You gotta go full! Full throttle! There we go. Oh, I think she's hung up now. Oh man, I think she's hung. Oh wow, awesome. Thank God for gravity. She's got her this time. She's got her track dug in. Did you hear the belt slip? She's in high. And her window is down. Oh, like I said, it's the worst snow. It's so crusty. Okay, we'll try one more spot.
crusty layer. And we haven't really had much snow since. Oh, that's not bad. Did you get stuck?
Probably not the smartest idea given that we're leaving in about 10 hours, but it was sure a lot of fun. So I think as long as you're having fun, it was worthwhile. So we'll get her melted off a little bit more and we're going to throw the tracks on. So that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks you guys for watching and see you next video.